Okay, so now I'm going to talk a little bit about site linking footprints. Basically, this is the way you link you link the pages within your sites, or your PBNs link to one another. Sorry, you don't want to link your PBNs to one another. The way your PBNs link to your money site. You need to be careful for these. These footprints are also important because they could expose your PBN. So if you're always linking, your very first post on all your sites has a link going to a common place, or always has a link, right? So that's a footprint. You have 100 sites, and the very first post that you make on each of these 100 sites has an outbound link. It's not that severe a footprint, but it is a footprint, and you want to avoid that because not every post should have a link, right? So because that itself is a footprint. The other one is using the same number of links to your money site. So if all your PBN sites have 3 links each to your money site from 3 different locations within each of them, then that's a footprint, right? Because all of them have 3 links going to your money site. So that's a footprint. Of course, if they all have one link going to your money site, that's not much of a footprint. But if they all have the same number, as in like 2 or 3 or 4, so just vary things a little bit. Sometimes don't keep all of them as 1, even though 1 is not that severe a footprint, but just try and mix it up. Then using too many non-relevant sites as compared to the money site. So that not having too many niche specific sites, not having relevant sites as part of your PBN, just having all general sites linking to your money site. That's a footprint itself, because you're not passing down any relevancy, and you're having non-related sites link, and that sort of may trigger some algorithm, some footprint detection in as far as Google goes. And then linking out to the same money site. So you don't want to link out to the same money site from the same IP address. This talks about the IP address. So you don't want to have 2 different sites hosted on the same IP address linking to the same money site. And then of course linking between PBN sites. You don't want to link 2 PBN sites together. That's a big no-no. Never do that. Never have your PBN sites linking to one another thinking that you could pass some power down and it'll carry forward. You want to keep them as disconnected. You want to keep them 100% disconnected, I would say. Don't interlink your PBN network, the sites on your PBN. Never do that. That's a huge footprint. Okay, and then the last one is using too many exact match keywords. So don't use, of course, that's standard SEO, but you don't want to do that because that could also get you busted. You don't want to use the same money keyword or the same anchors all over, and just linking with the same anchors across all your PBN to your money site. That's a big footprint. Okay, so with that said, I'm done with the site linking footprints, and I will see you in the next video.